Hey guys, what's up? We are back with more Benny the Bendy, and today, not only am I going to be joined by all my dogs, I'm going to be building them a new doghouse. Okay, so I'm down my bunker safe. I'm going to flip the arrow. I'm going to flip it, and then let's go up. I'm going to be joined by Aiden as well. I'm going to mainly be repairing it today. Next episode, next episode we will be building a doghouse. Well, I already started building the walls. I'm just going to be decorating it. So, today we're just going to be fixing it up. Aiden's back for this episode. He wasn't here for the last one. That's when Orange Fox struck. Oh, hey, Aiden. And we're going to be fixing the damage. But for this doghouse is done. It's toast. There's a villager guy in here. So, over here, I did like a little line, and here afterwards I'm just gonna dig all of this out. But we'll do some memories here first. I think I'm gonna do the doghouse in here. So, and okay, Eden may be joining me in a second. So, I'm gonna start to dig. I'm gonna make like a nice little room. Build it up a little. Here we go. Now we're gonna make it a little double hallway. And then I'm gonna make a huge doghouse room. By threes, yeah, I'll make it a little bigger. Aiden, you stop tapping my screen. And I'm gonna make like a huge room and stuff. I'm not gonna do it on screen, but I'm gonna make like you know what, I don't know. I'll make each room for a dog, and I'm gonna do like simple stuff like beds, and the beds are obviously gonna be the color as well. Like storage bed a lot. No, he'll never need the bed. Let's get chests. There actually hasn't been a chest in my world yet, though it's gonna be a lot of them soon. So get ready. That's all I'm gonna say. Oh, trap. Whatever, do chest. And let's guess what we're gonna fill them all of. Oh, it's easy, it's right here. Bones. Let's just, whoever cares how much. We don't have to fill them up with bones right now. So stop and check out your rooms, you're fine. Put a sign saying, storms, little, and then do red as well, red color, just to make it easier for me. So, starting to come in, take a seat. Where are you? Stop. Okay, ladder, and then this. I realized I forgot to put a lever on the other side. So then we come in here. And this leads to my doghouse, which I was able to make Leo's room so far. I haven't been able to decorate yet, but I have a lot more dog rooms to update with. And then I'll update you on that soon. And here's Storm's and Buddy's room, and this is Tux's old room. I think when I get a yellow dog, which will probably be Tux Jr. or Amber, which is another idea for a name in the future. Yeah. Tux! Tux, I miss you so much. You are a great dog, and I think this is a day before he dies. So you know what? I think I was on vacation this day from the house. I think I'm gonna take Tux back with me. I don't know where eventually I got a lot of wolves. So let's take Chuck to the stroll around this. Hey buddy, don't worry, I'll get you in a video soon. I feel bad with it, but I still haven't really taken him for a video yet. It's Tux. Okay, good, he's coming. He's probably scared of what I just said, but it's fine, don't worry. Yeah, I must have shortened the tunnel because just to not go there, and I was going to build something over here. Hi, Storm again. So Tux. It's been a pleasure knowing you, and always remember that I love you, and you'll be a, I'll build a building in honor of you. Okay, bye, Tux. That was hard. So, you don't worry, you stay alive. Oh yeah, I gotta check on one more thing now. Buddy, don't worry, everything will be fine. Don't worry. You won't die. Okay. Today I'm about to surprise Willow and Sultan. And they're gonna be joining me today. So stand up, Willow. I don't know why I'm saying you back down. Oh my god. And Sultan, and I actually got both of their names from my grandparents' dogs. And we're gonna take this way out because we haven't gone this way in a while. And I need to upgrade this way. Right now it's just like a crappy tunnel. But I'll be able to upgrade it at some point in the future. I'm gonna build a boat like some on this lake soon. But we're gonna sneak through my basement. I don't see what's the need for this. So we can go any direction. There's 2 dogs down there. Storm's up in my room or back here. Looks like he's going back here. So now I can shoot Leo. Okay. I think it's been a while since Leo's. No. No. Did that just happen? What? These dogs weren't in here. I need to get him. I need to get him before it kills my... Okay, brings back a lot of memories. Now look at this doghouse. Storm's room, the first room we ever built. There's only one left here. And here's the pool of Cotton Candy's room. Oreo. Here's a good doggy. No, Cookie. I don't even remember my dog's names. Here's Willow and Sultan's room, the last of them. And, oh, this ladder survived the blow-up, however. Like, this is a big ladder. I think Aiden updated this. Oh, lava. He's gonna fix that. And in this part, I'm just because I'm here, I'm just gonna cut it off. Yeah, if you're wondering why I have TNT in my inventory, I just blew up the place a little more, like I was starting to work on it to make it more straight. Oh, what's all this over here? Huh? Oh, and then there's something over here. That's strange. Okay. I will be back from Orange Fox.